Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. Finding good profitable books on Amazon KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you a book on a niche area that I have found that is highly profitable and with a little bit of effort. You can so we so our first niche is sushi kawaii coloring book. Sushi kawaii coloring book. Our first niche is sushi kawaii coloring book, and search result is 580. And our second niche is vegan ramen cookbook. And search result is 837. And our third niche is sushi cookbook for beginners. Sushi cookbook for beginners, and the search result is 1656. So we are discuss about three niche: sushi kawaii coloring book, and vegan ramen cookbook, and last one is sushi cookbook for beginners. So there is three big niche, and the first niche search result 580, and second is 837, and last one is 1656. So there is three big KDP profitable niche. So you can check out this niche on Amazon KDP, and also search and also check out trademark and copyright. Then you can work with this three niche and sell generate from Amazon KDP. So best of luck. If you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon, so when I can share with more niche, more ideas as on Amazon KDP self-publishing business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.